Here's how to add lines between columns in Excel. This works the same on both Windows and Mac. First, select the cells where you want the vertical lines to appear. Click and drag across the columns you want to add lines between. You'll see the selected cells highlighted with a light blue or gray overlay. Make sure you've selected all the columns you need, because Excel will apply the borders to your entire selection. Next, click on the Home tab at the top of the screen. This should already be open when you launch Excel, but if you're in a different tab, click Home to get there. The Home tab becomes active and shows you all the main formatting options. Now look for the Borders button in the font group. It's a small square icon with grid lines running through it. The icon shows whatever border style you used last, but the button itself is always in the same spot. Click the small drop-down arrow next to the Borders button. Don't click the button itself. Click the arrow on the right side of it. When you do that, a drop-down menu appears showing you a gallery of different border options. Each option has a little diagram that shows you where the lines will go. From this menu, click on All Borders. This option adds lines around every cell in your selection, which means you'll get vertical lines between all your columns, plus horizontal lines between rows. The borders appear immediately across all the cells you selected. If you only want vertical lines without the horizontal ones, you'll need to use the More Borders option at the bottom of that same drop-down menu. This opens a dialog where you can pick exactly which edges get borders, but for most cases, All Borders does the job. A few things to keep in mind. The lines you just added will show up when you print the spreadsheet, so they're not just for on-screen viewing. Also, if you apply a border to a cell, Excel automatically applies that same border to any adjacent cells that share that cell boundary. This keeps your lines from looking broken or uneven across the sheet. If you want to remove borders later, select those cells again, click the Borders drop-down, and choose No Border from the menu. You can also use a keyboard shortcut to speed things up. Ctrl plus Shift plus 7 applies all borders instantly to whatever you've selected, which is handy if you're working with multiple ranges. For more control over your borders, that More Borders option lets you choose different line styles, like dotted, dashed, or double lines, and you can pick custom colors too. You can even place borders on specific edges of your cells by clicking directly on the preview diagram in that dialog. And that's how to add lines between columns in Excel. Thanks for watching.